He and his wife are earning lakhs of taka a month by making chanachur. They started with very little money, then gradually expanded the business. As the business grew, they also bought some machines to make the work easier. In fact, even if you start something small, if you work hard with your heart and soul, it is possible to make it big. Viewers, today I will show you how this popular chanachur is made. So let's see the whole process. To make chanachur, you need buckwheat, gram flour, almonds, flour, turmeric, chili, chira, etc. First, buckwheat, gram flour and almonds are mixed together in a machine. Then they are fried in a large pan. Then the beans are poured, then the chira, almonds, everything is fried one by one. After frying all the ingredients, they are mixed together and kept in one place. That's when the popular chanachur is made, which is in great demand in the market. The reddish part visible on top is the circle frying, which makes the chanachur even more delicious.